Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on Galaxy S23 device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. I just successfully unlocked the device, but to unlock it, you should make it not with a simple touch to the fingerprint scanner. Just you should keep for a while it on sensor. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.